Hi everyone! Today I would like to talk to you about buying a property on auction. I come across with this fairly frequently actually when people approach me about buying a house on an auction, how they can get a mortgage, can they get a mortgage on it? Absolutely, you can get a mortgage on an auction property, but the whole process works differently than a standard purchase. And the most important thing with auction property is speed. It has to be very, very speedy, but also risk. There is a risk attached to it because you will have to put down a certain amount of money at the time of your bid to be accepted, and if anything goes wrong, you can actually lose that money, and it can be quite significant amount. Therefore, you have to be very well prepared for this. So the number one, with any purchase, but with auction property purchase, even more important, that you have a decision in principle or agreement in principle. You need to be sure you speak to a professional, someone who will look at your paperwork, your bank statements, your pay slips, and will do a credit search as part of the decision in principle, making sure that the amount of mortgage you need for the purchase will be available to you. So this is number one. Number two, it is an upfront cost, but very, very, very highly recommended that you actually carry out a survey on the property before you buy it, because the survey is going to give you indication of the value as well, because you don't want to carried away and bid and actually buy that property for more than what it's worth, but also it will highlight any kind of problems, defaults, any kind of issues with the property which could be costing you a lot of money to repair if you buy it. So a survey is very, very highly recommended before you bid on that property. Speak to your mortgage advisor and get reassurance that a mortgage can be in place and a mortgage offer can be issued on time. I can tell you from my own experience that yes, it can be. Again, your mortgage advisor has to be experienced, someone who will know which are the banks who will lend on auction properties, because not all of them will, and which are the lenders who work really fast and can get you that mortgage offer really, really quickly. And then number three, you need to get a conveyancer who will work really fast, because the timescales are extremely tight. Therefore, they need to work really, really fast. So these are the main things to consider. So as soon as you set your eyes on a auction property, speak to the mortgage advisor, speak to the conveyancer, get that survey done on the property, and only when you have the survey and peace of mind that you are happy to buy that property based on the condition, and you know what is the right amount of money to offer for that property and put that right bid in, then you know everything is, decision in principle is ready, and your mortgage advisor can move really, really fast with that mortgage application to get that mortgage offer extremely quickly and extremely fast. So that's really just briefly. So it is possible. The other thing I would mention also, that if for whatever reason the timescales are so tight and your mortgage advisor thinks that for some reason it will be slightly longer or trickier to get that mortgage, you also have the option to get a bridge loan. Again, your mortgage advisor can introduce you or help you with the bridge, and that can be in place in a very short period of time. And then what will happen is there will be time to get the mortgage, to get that mortgage from a provider, and when that is ready, then the bridging loan can be actually repaid. So that could be also an option. So it's all, again, just like a lot of things, will depend on your individual circumstances and the property and the process and requirements in terms of the auction, and your and the experts will be able to provide you with the right information and guidance. good luck if you're buying the property on auction. It's all very exciting, and watch all my videos because there are a lot of useful information out there for you on my channel, and on a regular basis I upload more and more. Press the subscribe button and you will be notified when a new video is uploaded. Have a lovely day and good luck.